In this video, the rising wedge which we mentioned yesterday has played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, where are we right now headed with the Bitcoin price? And look at this, guys, we have a warning right now with the Bitcoin dominance, as this is a warning for the altcoin market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating analysis kapon, we were monitoring this rising wedge forming within the 50-minute time frame. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, we were also forming this declining RSI, and that is typically a sign of a bearish trend reversal to the downside. And look at that, guys, we played that one out exactly as predicted. So congratulations, guys, if you have played this one out. And ano ba nangyari dun after that movement? So after that movement, nagkaroon tayo ng very short-term bullish divergence. Ayan o, declining price while the RSI is increasing. We saw that movement to the upside. And then after that, we saw another decline dito kay Bitcoin price. And then take a look at this, guys. Look at this. Right now, we are forming this falling wedge within the very short term. So as you can see, meron tayong falling wedge. And traditionally, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern to the upside. So this is just the exact opposite thing of what we have been watching out dito sa ating previous movement. Kumbaga, kung ano yung analysis natin sa previous movement, direct opposite lang nito yung ating current movement. So in this case, we are actually monitoring this falling wedge. At the same time, meron tayong increasing RSI that is a bullish divergence. So in this case, our target for this movement is actually number 1, the 37.2K area. So which is right now nandun tayo ngayon. Another area is going to be the 37.7K. That is the second target. But yung ating technical target for this movement is actually going to be the top of the wedge, which is around the 38.2K. So right now, these are the levels that we are going to watch out for the Bitcoin price, which is number 1, the 38.2K, which is the technical target, the resistance area of 37.7K, and then itong current area natin ngayon, which is the 37.2K, which is a current take profit area for the very short term. Pero guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible and then gusto nyo mag-open ng multiple positions within one Bitcoin trade, you can actually do that with BingX. Kasi dito kay BingX, you can actually trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible. Halos wala silang fees if you're going to trade Bitcoin. So if you want to claim bonus dito kay BingX, just use my sign up link and you can find the description down below. So yun yung ating update for the Bitcoin price action. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance kasi look at this, guys. Yung ating Bitcoin dominance is currently bouncing from our support area. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, whenever the Bitcoin dominance is declining, healthy yun for altcoins. Pero if ang nangyari, if nag-increase yung dominance, then that is bad for altcoins. Kasi typically, whenever the dominance is decreasing, that would indicate na people are moving their money into altcoins. That's why nagiging healthy altcoins. Pero if pataas to, ibig sabihin nun, people are moving their money away from altcoins. So in this case, people are currently selling their altcoins for Bitcoin. So right now, this is actually a warning. If let's say mag-continue to the upside, then we can actually see altcoins to underperform in the coming days. So right now, I don't think na maganda mag-trade sa altcoins for the very short term, especially na meron tayong increasing Bitcoin dominance. And typically, ideal scenario for the altcoin market is dapat mag-decline ito in order for us to see an altcoin season, which is right now we are not seeing. So this is right now a warning for the altcoin market. And let's dive into two altcoins for the time being. Let's look at Ethereum. So as you can see, Ethereum is now forming this falling channel. And ayan, meron tayong clear falling channel dito kay Ethereum price action. And we are starting to break to the upside. So right now, if you want to see Ethereum to go to the upside, the Bitcoin dominance must decline in order for us to see Ethereum to be healthy in the coming hours. So right now, ito yung monitor natin with the Ethereum price action since we are starting to break to the upside. However, wala tayong buy volume na nakita dito sa ating breakout. So this is a thing that we have to watch out. So ang magiging target resistance area natin dito would actually be number 1, the 2.5K area, the $2,600 area, as well as the $2,660 area. So you have to even watch out for the Ethereum price action. And last but not least, let's talk about SLP kasi look at this, guys. I've been trading SLP ever since the other day kasi diba, naalala nyo guys, diba sabi ko sa inyo, if nag-decline si Bitcoin, at the same time, the dominance is increasing, then that is a good shorting opportunity kay SLP. Ibig sabihin kasi nun, babagsak lalo si SLP sa ganong movement. And look at that, guys. We saw that movement playing out exactly. And tingnan nyo to, guys. I'm up 105% kanina kay SLP. And kinulos ko na siya actually. So, ay na nakita nyo, I am actually in profits kay SLP. Kahit umakit man siya o bumaba, you can actually make money out of SLP kahit umakit siya man o bumaba. But right now, what is happening ba right now with SLP? So let's try to look at the chart ngayon dito for the SLP price action. So as you can see, previously the SLP price action was rejected by the 100-day moving average. And on top of that, if you're also going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, meron din tayong bearish divergence, so that's why we saw a movement to the downside, diba? Right now, there are still no signs of a bullish trend reversal kay SLP. As it stands, it's still declining, and the RSI is now starting to get oversold. So right now, we are about to enter into a buying opportunity with SLP. And yeah, this could be an indication of a good buying indicator kasi right now, we are now below 30. Pero take note guys, in order for us to say na aakit na si SLP, ang kailangan mangyari dito is kailangan niya magkaroon ng bullish divergence, which is dapat yung price niya is nagde-decline at the same time, the RSI is now increasing. So I highly suggest na if you want to buy SLP, you need to wait for a bullish divergence before entering the SLP price action, which is right now wala pa tayong ganon. So out of the time being, patience muna kay SLP. And then if you want to enter a trade kay SLP, always remember to look at the Bitcoin price action first. After looking at Bitcoin price action first, then look at Bitcoin dominance. And then pag okay kay Bitcoin dominance, then saka ka pumasok kay SLP. Pero guys, if you want to long or short SLP, you can actually do that with Bybit kasi dito kay Bybit, you can actually trade SLP with leverage. Kay Binance, hindi siya pwede. So if you want to trade SLP, you can actually do that with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus dito kay Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So in muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.